Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to sell your books in Lulu platform. Go to Google, search for Lulu platform as you can see here and set up your accounts. When you set up your accounts here with your all details information, you will see this option. You can sell your books from this section. You can sell your books and then on your website from here click the first option. I want to sell my book. You will see this option, click start a new project. When you click start a new project, you will redirect to this page. In this page, start your project, choose your product type. You have paper book, photo album, comic, stripe, magazine. Choose if you want to choose. You have calendar also, paper book, click this icon and click this one, print or publish your book. Choose your print or publish your book. From this details section, choose your project title, for example coloring, as you can see here, coloring a book. This is on the project titles. Choose your language of your book and then English or Spanish. From here, choose your category, art, photography, then click design your project. You will redirect it. In this page, just upload your file here of your books. From features your book, choose your feature size, box, and number of page. Choose your type of paper here, cream or white, and then building types. From here, write your all details and this information. Basically, and then click verify your book. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you, and don't forget give like and share this